and gentlemen, today I come with another Omboge segment. If you watch my previous video when I bring Bishop and Ogodo for animal sound, so these two guys, they come reach out to me. They say those two boys they learn, say that they be the right definition and perfection of animal the sound. So with me here, what's your name, bros? Steven and what?
Ahmed.
Ahmed and Steven say today they want prove me wrong, say yes, that they be the best. So I want you to drop your opinion and tell us the winner for comment section. So we go start from animal sound of goat. So Steven, I'll let me you sound like goat for us. Make my viewers may they hear you sound.
Okay,
thank you. Maybe like if I be goat for it. No, joke. Oh yeah, Ahmed, so you go sound like the same goats. Alright, that do a hair. So the next sound one I go give me now that of cat. So you go sound like cat. Now Ahmed will go start from me, may not be like say you dey copy from a guy. So Ahmed, you go sound like cat, make we hear. Alright. Oh yeah, Steven.
Meow, meow, meow,
Okay. Alright. Which one that sound una believe say una fit still give me one I go kill am for me? Which one you have? Dog. Okay now. Oh yeah, give us the dog sound. Alright, Ahmed, I want me to sound like dog. Make we see either na Steven they win you or na you they win Steven. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I beg you go drop your opinion. You go drop either na Ahmed or Steven. Now wait for comment section. It's sure for you. I love